You ready? Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and we're about to go ziplining. Right now we're on like a tram going up to the highest point, and I'm excited with Mr. O'Connell and two guys that run it.
Who are these gentlemen?
Hola, Jonathan. Mauricio.
Mauricio.
Pura vida.
Pura vida, yeah.
Hey guys, you're crazy.
Let's go.
Well, we're up here.
I can't do this.
Around,
I can't do this.
volcano
This is too
here. It's got a great view of the volcano. We're getting ready to go on the zip lining. We just had some delicious fruit punch.
Nathan's got to lean back more.
It's not at all like exactly what I thought it was going to be.
It's so safe. It really is. I was. Well, it's safer.
It feels
It's
safer than it looks.
Yeah.
Let's put it that way.
As you're looking down.
How'd you like it, Andrew?
Like,
It's
not Andrew,
That
Nathan.
was easier than I expected. I expected to keep my hands on.
Good job, Kyle.
Oh, he's just gonna make it. Nice job, Kyle.
You alright?
Oh my God.
Nice job, Kyle. Dude, you made it by like 10 feet.
Gary.
That's your Andrew. I thought that was Andrew. Is Andrew going next?
Wait, Brian.
Yes, Sarah.
He comes.
Nice job, Sarah. Yes, Sarah. All day long, unstoppable 10.
Brian, does it feel
Hey,
like you're...
Give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up, Sarah.
Take on that. Take on that.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
There he is.
That was not bad.
Crying on the
Yeah, well, I heard this next one.
Let's keep my heart.
Open him up. Open your legs.
Oh, I didn't hear him.
No, when it goes.
Didn't want to kick him in the face again. Any last words, Miss Connolly? Pura vida.
Lima.
And it's going all the way out. Way out there. Uh-oh.
No fuerte, no fuerte.
You think a monkey would let
Oh.
No fuerte, no fuerte. Hey, Brian, you're not fuerte. No fuerte, no fuerte.
I'm going second for the group.
Okay.